Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. You've got your iPhone and someone really important is trying to ring you, and when they ring, you've just got a blank screen. That's a bit boring, isn't it? What you really want is a full screen picture of who's calling. Superb. Right, I'll show you how to do this. There's two ways. The easiest way is go into Photos, select the photo that you want of the contact. So I'm just going to click on this one, which is Bodhi. And then on the bottom left hand corner, click on this. And at the bottom, just scroll to the right. And there's one called Assign to Contact. So click on this. Scroll down to the contact that you want to add it to. So I've got Bodhi. So click on Bodhi. It will automatically put the picture in there. Now move it in scale by pinching your fingers on the screen. So make it as big as you like. So it's full screen there. When you're happy with the settings, click on Choose. Then click on Update at the top right hand corner. And then that is set. So now if Bodhi calls again, it should pop up with a full screen picture of his face. Sorry guys, I better get this. Hey Bodhi.
Special Agent Utah.
You gotta go down.
You know I can't handle a cage, man.
I know you can't handle a cage, man. Now the second way that you can do this is just go into your contacts list, select any contact that you want. I'm going to select Angelo Pappas. On the top right hand corner, click on Edit. And then on the top left hand corner, click on Add Photo. You can take a photo or choose a photo. And click on Choose a Photo. Go to your camera roll. Select the photo that you want. Again, just move it and scale it. Then again, click on Choose. And click on Done at the top. And then that saves that. Superb. Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. If you enjoy any of the videos on my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Woohoo! Appreciate it.